Hi Angels, I know that it is Park Life next weekend, so I wanted to do a little easy festival makeup series for you all. This is look 1, part 1. Obviously you could swap the colours to match your outfit, but yeah, I've made sure they're all beginner friendly so everybody can. I'm going to use the Sample Beauty Painters palette, so mine's very battered so please ignore. But I'm going to take the dark blue, medium blue and light blue, so they're the 3 shades that you need. So just taking your darkest blue and creating a winged liner shape with this shadow. Use like a small flat brush for this, and then literally just do the exact same thing and connect it on to the outer corner of the eye to make like a winged shape. So once you've got your shape, guys, just literally like buff over the edges just to make them a little bit softer. Okay guys, then you're going to take your lightest shade of blue and you're literally just going to fill in the middle of this and also bring it across the lid. Don't go higher than the line that you've created there though. You want to take your light blue to about here on the eye. I'm just going back in with the darker blue and also the medium blue to create a blend between the dark shadows and the lighter shadows. So just go in with a nice small brush so you can be nice and precise with where you put the shadow and just buff over really gently to get that nice blend. I'm just going into your darkest blue shade and taking this as close to the lower lash line as you can. Then just going in with your lightest blue shade underneath to blend that out. Use like a small fluffy brush for this so it blends out a lot easier. I'll go into a light, bright pink shade with a nice big fluffy brush. This is Bon Bon from the Sample Beauty palette. Just really gently buffing the shadow around the front of the eye. You are taking this higher than the shape that you've got here, and it just wants to be nice and blown out. So just be really nice and light with your pressure. I'm now going in with the Helene Cut Crease base. If you don't have a cut crease base, don't worry, you can just use your eye base. I'm just going to take this base and pop this along my waterline without jabbing myself in the eye, and also just take a little bit into your inner corner. And then I'm just going to buff out that base in the inner corner with a fluffy brush. Just taking one of the Helene neon pigments in the shade Pink. You need these neon pigments for festival season. You need. I'm just taking a tiny bit at a time and just pressing this into the inner corner. Make sure there's not too much on your brush because you don't want this to kind of go everywhere. You want to really keep it in that area and just like buff it out from there. I'm just dusting it on this part of the lid a little bit. Just add it into my waterline, but I had to do it off camera. I would recommend pulling your bottom lid down and patting it on. And I'm just patting some glitter primer on. Just patting the Maldivian Pearl pigment on from ST Essentials. Can you cope with that pigment? And then I've just taken the Doll Beauty Eva lashes and cut those in half and popped a little bit of mascara on to finish it off.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking